Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking to extend your Wi-Fi coverage? In this video, I show the complete Casativo Wi-Fi extender setup process step by step. Learn how to connect your extender to your router, extend Wi-Fi coverage, improve signal strength, and eliminate dead zones in your home or office. This beginner-friendly tutorial covers everything you need for a successful WPS setup. Follow the easy instructions to enjoy stronger, more reliable Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home or office. So let's start the setup process. So firstly, plug the Casativo Wi-Fi extender into a wall outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to become solid. Allow the extender to fully boot up, usually 30 to 60 seconds. Tip: avoid using power strips during the initial setup if possible. Look at your wireless router and find the WPS button. It is usually labeled WPS or a symbol with two circular arrows. This button allows devices to connect automatically without entering the Wi-Fi password. Press the WPS button on your router. After pressing it, the WPS indicator light on the router will start blinking, which means the router is ready to pair with another device. You usually have about 2 minutes to connect the extender. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the Casativo extender. Hold it for about 1 second and release. The WPS or signal LED on the extender will begin blinking. The extender will now attempt to pair with the router automatically. Wait 1 to 3 minutes while the devices communicate. During this time, the LED lights may blink several times. Once connected successfully, the WPS LED becomes solid. The signal LED lights up. The extender copies your router's Wi-Fi settings automatically. Do not unplug or press any buttons during this process. After successful pairing, the repeater creates an extended Wi-Fi network. The network name usually appears as your Wi-Fi name _xt or your Wi-Fi name repeater. The password will be the same as your main router password. Unplug the repeater and move it to a location between the router and the weak signal area. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.